Good morning. I'm here at a block drain to inspect to see what's going on here. I have to see where this water is flowing. You can see it's overflowing, so I'm preferably not going to open here now. First I'm going to go downstream and see if I can get this water to start flowing. So yeah, it's quite a challenge. Looks like so, but first let's see. Lekker. Okay, from here it looks like it might be stone and rock. Hello Rochi. Yeah, ne? Here you go. So far I've removed this. I've put a stopper in the drain downstream, and my jetter is still in going, but I'll let the water siphon through slowly, because I want to see whatever is left behind. You can see the water is going down, you can see that line there. So yeah, I want to see everything that's left behind. Poor roaches, I think I've drowned the roaches. The people are chewing their food very well, because I don't see any solid corn here. Alright. Water supply is far from where I'm working, so I had to make a plan. I rolled out my whole pipe, and I'm working with about 13 meters on this side, but luckily my blockage was within the 13 meters range. So yeah. Jane. And is this nonsense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because see, now the water is flowing good.
Yeah, it's flowing as I can see.
Yeah.
So they were blocking this.
Yeah. Nonsense that people throw down the drains. Oh, it's gonna need a cleanup here. Okay. I'm up to the job. That's what it is.